How to get dog urine stains out of carpet. Soak up the urine stain using paper towels or a cotton cloth. Using 1 part white vinegar and 1 part water, apply the solution liberally so that it can reach deep down into the carpet's fibers. Pour the solution onto the urine stain. Using a scrubbing brush, work all of it deeply into the carpet, scrubbing vigorously. The vinegar should help to neutralize the ammonia in the urine. Blot the urine stain using a paper towel, pressing firmly onto it. When the section of the carpet is dry, cover the stain with baking soda. Mix half a cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide with 1 teaspoon of dishwashing detergent and apply it to the stain. You can use a scrubbing brush again to thoroughly clean the carpet. Blot dry the area or use a vacuum to remove any excess liquid. For more spot cleaning solutions, visit spotremoval.coit.com.